Have you ever wondered about the ultimate destiny of our universe? What lies ahead for the galaxies, stars, and all that we hold dear? Today, we embark on a cosmic journey to explore a mind-bending concept that will challenge your perception of the universe, the Big Crunch. Get ready for an exploration of cosmic proportions, because I am sure you don't know this. Welcome back to our captivating series on astronomy, where we unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. In this episode, we dive deep into a topic that pushes the boundaries of our understanding, the Big Crunch. Brace yourselves for an adventure through space and time like no other. Picture this: for billions of years, our universe has been expanding, with galaxies moving away from each other. But did you know that this cosmic dance may have a different final? The Big Crunch theory suggests that the expansion of the universe could stop, and everything might collapse back in on itself. It's like a grand cosmic rewind, where galaxies, stars, and even atoms are pulled together by gravity. Now, hold on tight as we unravel the mysteries of the Big Crunch. Imagine the universe, once a vast expanse of space, shrinking down to a mere speck. Galaxies collide and merge, stars are compressed, and matter itself is pushed to its limits. The forces at play are unimaginable, yet they shape the fate of everything we know. But wait, there is more to this mind-boggling concept. As the universe collapses, temperatures skyrocket, creating an extraordinary environment of intense heat and energy. Black holes become more prevalent, devouring everything that comes close. The universe, once again, becomes a dense and compact entity, far removed from the grand expanse we witness today. However, it's important to note that our understanding of the fate of the universe is still evolving. Other theories, such as the continued expansion leading to the eventual heat death or the possibility of a quantum bounce, present alternative scenarios that keep scientists eagerly exploring the possibilities. In summary, the Big Crunch is a captivating idea that challenges our understanding of the universe's destiny. It paints a picture of a universe that expands, slows down, and ultimately collapses upon itself. The journey of exploration pushes us to question the nature of space, time, and the fundamental forces that govern it all. With every question we answer, new mysteries await. That's why continued research and exploration into the concept of the Big Crunch and all the other ways the universe could meet its end are crucial for expanding our knowledge of the cosmos and unraveling its secrets. Get ready to explore the mysteries of the universe as we dive deeper into the wonders that lie beyond. In this grand cosmic theater,